Okay, we have lots of topics to talk about. Here's invest number 92. It's not a tropical depression just yet, but it will likely become a tropical depression soon. The models are taking it where Bill went, almost where Bill went, right through Bermuda, right through the eastern U.S. But we will keep you posted on that. This is a prediction of where it is going. This is not where it's going to be going. We don't even know if it's going to develop, but it has a high potential to develop. Here's the satellite imagery for invest number 92. You can see it's moving west-northwest 21 miles per hour. The maximum winds are at 30 miles per hour. This was at 2 a.m. Tuesday, August 25th. The time now is 9:30 a.m. Here it is right here, invest number 92. And if this does get named a storm, it will be named Danny. Here's the island right there. It's not really affecting those islands. You can see on this satellite imagery, there it is right here, not well organized at this time. But again, it might develop, has a high potential to develop, and it might not develop. Here's invest number 93. This is this is going over Mexico. I believe that is Nicaragua. Will be going over Nicaragua out into the Pacific, where it might strengthen into a tropical storm. This is invest number 93, and here is the satellite imagery for invest number 93. So just over Mexico right now. Again, going into the Pacific. It's moving west at 26 miles per hour. We don't even know if it's going to develop because the maximum winds are at 25 miles per hour, and this was updated yesterday, 8 p.m. Put this in motion for you. You could see it's moving off to the west, not fast and not slow. Here it is right here. Just not really well organized at all, but there it is over Mexico right now. I think it is Nicaragua. I'm not that sure. And it'll probably move out into the Pacific, and it's taking it to the northerly track. Here is Tropical Storm Hilda. This is the 8th storm in the Pacific. The winds are at 55 miles per hour. It's really not moving at all. It's moving west at 9 miles per hour. Pressure is 1,001 millibars. The winds are at 55 miles per hour. The gusts are at 70. And this was updated at 5 a.m. and will hopefully stay away from land as a tropical storm and a hurricane. But you can see it's taking a little curve towards Hawaii. Here's the satellite imagery for Hilda. You can see if we animate this, it's very small, so it will likely not affect any land because it's so small. There it is right here. Again, the winds are at 55 miles per hour. And we take you out. There's Hawaii. And it's going to take that track. It's going to take a track down here. And it'll take a turn up to the north. And hopefully it'll hopefully miss Hawaii as it takes the turn. Here is Tropical Storm Ignacio. This is the ice storm. It's really not, it's well developed, but it will be short-lived. This is the 5-day forecast. This is Ignacio. This is where it's going to be heading. Tropical storm strength and making a westerly turn into tropical depression strength. Moving west-northwest at 11 miles per hour. Maximum winds are at 40 miles per hour. This was updated at 5 a.m. Here is the satellite imagery, and the pressure is at 1,004 millibars. So it's really not moving all that fast, but you can see it has a really good counterclockwise spin to this system. You can see as we take it closer, look at all these thunderstorms just flaring up. As we take you back out, it's going to be following a west-northwest track and just takes it off to the west. hopefully nearly missing Hawaii. This is Typhoon Vamco. This is a Category 1 typhoon. Maximum winds are at 75 miles per hour. The gusts are at 90, and hopefully miss all land except a few islands as a tropical storm. Really not that bad. It's moving north-northeast at 49 miles per hour, so very, very quickly. You can see the distance between those predictions where it's going to be heading. Here's invest number 94 out in Central Pacific. You can see those little islands up to the right of your screen. Go up to latitude, the latitude number 20. You can see, yeah, there's Hawaii right there. It's not looking all too organized right now, but there's Hawaii, and there it is. There's Hilda right over there. There it is again. Not really well organized. And again, there's Hilda right there. Hawaii, and then in the invest. That's all for now on the tropics. We will keep you posted on the tropics. Have a great day.